We're going to do a little walk around of the Cushman. This Cushman was restored cosmetically by Jaguar Restorer Classic Showcase in the late 1990s, as I'm led to understand. At that time, it was also disclosed that, when I bought it anyway, that it had been mechanically restored. When it came here, I found out that that was not the case. And this is why it got a full engine transplant with a 26.5 horsepower, roughly 750cc Kohler fuel injected V-twin engine, replacing its original 18 horsepower OMC, which was leaking all over the place, had stripped out plug holes, lots of little repairs that were substandard. We rebuilt all the brakes. The entire front axle was actually frozen in place. I mean, it rolled, but disassembling it was an adventure. Rear brakes, topped it off with new tires and powder-coated wheels. Came out really nice, and it complements the rest of the cosmetic restoration. So with fuel injection, unlike with the OMC, where you'd have to set the choke and hope that it started, this is so simple. You just turn the key. You might hear the fuel pump, and I mean, that's from dead cold, obviously, but it doesn't matter because it's fuel injected. So let's go for a ride. Let's see how I can do this. Step on the clutch. Put the shifter into first, column shift. The brake is already off. And away we go. Trying to hold the phone and shift at the same time. Perfect. Speedometer and odometer work. I've got the governor set to low RPMs because the engine's still being broken in. Brand new. We also took 2 steering boxes to make one. The steering box that was in here was just worn out from no grease. Climbs that hill with ease. The steering's as tight as it's gonna be, I guess is what we say. Turn signal's on. And we've just been in 3rd gear the whole time. Just pulls right up them. We're going to come to a stop. Hopefully I don't squeak gears again. Perfect. We'll just glide through. No, the distance, Augusta Country Club. Not the National. People out playing golf today. Left blinker. Traffic. Kind of a handful. Go charge up that hill. We are breaking the speed limit. Up the hill. Rides and drives real nice after all the work that's been done. Shift. Put up. And we've come home again.